Welcome to Family Gardening.
We will now go over the life cycle of banana plant. Did you know?
Banana plants are herbs and not trees
and can take 9 to 12 months to produce fruit.
The plant dies after fruiting
and is replaced by baby plants called pups. Growing conditions.
It needs the full sun.
It likes the temperature of 78 and 86 Fahrenheit.
Night temperature no lower than 57 Fahrenheit.
It prefers loose and rich soil
with the pH between 5.5 and 7.
It also likes lots of water with good drainage. The dwarf variety grows only 4 feet tall. New plants grow from the pups. We do not add any fertilizer other than our compost once every couple of months. After a few months, flowering begins. The baby bananas at the top will grow to the bananas we eat. At this time, we will harvest just the flower at the bottom. Please watch our other video on how to make banana flour curry.
Homegrown bananas are tasty.
Fruiting signifies the end of the life cycle, so we remove the plant.
We remove outer layers of the stem.
The middle portion of the stem that is white in color is edible.
Grandma prepares the stem for cooking. The banana stem dish was yummy. Leaves are used to make special recipes and also to serve food. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Please subscribe and share.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.